In this video, I'm going to show you how to record your iPad screen for both video and audio. So whether you want to capture just the video screen itself or you want to capture the audio as well, I'm going to show you how to do both of these. So the first thing you're going to do is just open up your iPad and then use your finger to drag down in the top right hand side of the screen. So this is going to bring up your control center like so. And then what we're going to do is just hold down our finger somewhere on this white space, and then it's going to pop up with this add a control button. So go ahead and click on add a control and then use the search feature here to type in record, and you'll get this option for screen recording. Go ahead and click on this, and now that's going to add the screen recording feature to your control center. So what we can do now is just click off of this window, and in order to record just video, what we can do is just click on this button, and that's going to give us a 3-second countdown before it begins recording. So now everything that I do on my iPad here is going to be recorded. You can see in the top right hand side we have this record symbol to indicate that everything's recording, and once you finish, just click on this record icon and press stop. So now at the top here you're going to get this notification, and if I click on this you're going to be able to see this recording that we just made. So from here I can go and edit this, and I can go and save it to my files. Now that's how you capture just video, but if you want to capture audio as well with this recording, then what we can do is just come back over to our iPad home screen, and once again we're going to use our finger to scroll down in the top right hand side, and this time rather than just tapping the record button, what we're going to do is hold down on the record button, and you'll see it pops up with this microphone symbol at the bottom here. So if you want to record both your audio and your video, you can turn this microphone feature on like so, and then go and press start recording, and now what's going to happen is it will record both the video screen and also the audio at the same time. So anything I say in my microphone in this period is also going to be recorded. And then once again, once you finish, just click on the record button in the top right hand side and press stop. And just like that, we've now recorded both the video and audio on our iPad. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.